Welcome in this book reading session. Today we have to study the topic conjunctions in English grammar. So must follow it. Let us read. Conjunctions are joining words like and, but, or, so, because, though, if, when, while, etc. They join two words or group of words. As for example, Abdul and Ashok are friends. The conjunction and joins the words Abdul and Ashok. Second example, are you going by train or by bus? Here the conjunction or joins the two groups of words by train and by bus. Example third, I shouted, but he did not hear me. Here the conjunction but joins the two group of words I shouted and he did not hear me. Example 4, let us wait till he comes. The conjunction till joins the two groups of words let us wait and he comes. In this way, we come to the conclusion that the definition of conjunction is a conjunction is a word that joins two words or group of words, so we can call it joining words or linking words. We can clarify this concept with the help of exercise second. Let us see. Join these pairs of sentences using and. Example, the boy saw the dog, he ran away. By joining these two words, we can write the boy saw the dog and ran away. In this way, both the sentence became joined and became single sentence. Example first, I paid for the sweets. I put them in my pocket. Its single line will be I paid for the sweets and put them in my pocket. Second, we stayed at home, we watched TV. We stayed at home and watched TV. You might have been thinking to treat it as we stayed at home and have watched TV, but this is also correct. We stayed at home and watched TV. She knocked on the door, she went in. She knocked on the door, she went in. She knocked on the door, she went in. Its single line will be after joining with the help of and. She knocked on the door and went in. Ramesh ran hard, he was just in time. We can join both these sentences with the help of and. Ramesh ran hard and was just in time. Similarly, we can learn more and more sentences. I heard a noise, I turned round. I heard a noise and turned round. She locked the front door, she went to bed. She locked the front door and went to bed. Example, here you have to join two sentences with the help of but. This is conjunction but, but. In Hindi it means lekin. Join the pairs of sentences using but. Example first, I was tired, I couldn't sleep. I was tired, but I couldn't sleep. Say, you can practice so. I liked the sweater, I didn't buy it. I liked the sweater, but I didn't buy it. The student has written incorrectly. We went to Agra. We didn't see the Taj Mahal. We went to Agra, but we didn't see the Taj Mahal. He worked hard. He failed the exam. He worked hard, but he failed the exam. The cup dropped. It didn't break. The cup dropped, but it didn't break. She has lots of friends. She often feels lonely. She has lots of friends, but she often feels lonely. 6. I bought a newspaper. I didn't read it. I bought a newspaper, but I didn't read it. Note: we should say fail the exam, not fail in exam. This is instruction for you. You have to use we should say fail the exam, not fail in the exam. In this way, we can learn the use of conjunction because with the help of numerous examples. Join these pairs of sentences using because. Example first. We didn't go out. It was raining. We didn't go out because it was raining. In this way, both the sentences became joined with the help of the conjunction because. You can practice more. Example first. She phoned the police. She had lost her purse. She phoned the police because she had lost the purse. Second, he was angry with me. I was late. He was angry with me because I was late. In this way, you can practice numerous conjunction in your activity book and get it checked. I hope it might have helped you a lot in learning about conjunctions. In next class, we will learn about interjection. Thank you very much for participating in this conjunction class. All the best.